Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to randomize polygons on a mesh. It would be good if you use this kind of randomized mesh when you're working on dynamics like this closed simulation. It will look much more natural. So to do that in Maya, since Maya does not provide any built-in fraction component without third-party plugin, you will need a little bit of trick. First thing you need to do is create a polymesh, or you can use your own model if you want. And then we should subdivide this model for more dense mesh because we're going to use reduce mesh. But before we reduce this mesh, we're going to triangulate it first because we want more jagged edges there. So after that, we can click on reduce options, and all you need to do is here all you need to do here is you can set the preset request to 0, or you can add a little bit of sharpness there, and it's important to keep that to percentage mode, and you can increase this percentage to up to 80 or 90 so you can get this kind of randomized polygons. And you can flatten those borders if you want, and that's pretty much it. It's very simple, it's very easy to do, and it's very useful when you're working on dynamics especially. That's it for this tutorial, and I hope you find it useful, and please subscribe to my channel. The more useful tutorials going to be uploaded, and thank you for watching.